there anything to love? Is there anything in this community to love? Is there anybody in this community to love? In these communities to love? So can we start saying, I love you? Instead of, well, we can't turn the one day, you know. Sure. You never like see them. Hello. Them get the same space on earth like you. Same runnings. And they may just be going through a difficult time. So what we're going to do is start just throw out the love. I used to walk down these roads and I was never afraid. And it's not so long ago. Because if I ever talk, you're not going to know how young I am.
This is Sizzla Kalonji. As you all know, this is May the 12th, it's Mother's Day. We're presently on the premises of the Augusttown Primary School. Family past student of this school. And all the mothers who have been teaching the children in this school. I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the teachers, the mothers in Augusttown Primary School, and the entire community, and to the whole wide world. This is Sizzla Kalonji. Say Happy Mother's Day. Mama, you're blessed. No one love like your mother.
I deem it right to be here this night to pay respect to the community, to the teachers, parents, especially the mothers. And I personally, as Mr. Miguel Collins, would like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in our community. And my mother, Mama Lo, very welcome and thank you. Now, we're going to extend our respect to the sound system, King Tafari, our engineers, OJ Kelly, Flavor Wayne and Kevlar Tone, and this sector of the community, Jungle 12, Vietnam, Bryce Hill, Judgment Yard, Goldsmith Villa, African Garden. Unity is strength, and it is the best method in uniting a people towards their future goals.
A word of prayer to the beautiful people. The earth is the Lord, and the fullness thereof, the world and they that dwell therein. For we had fought upon the seas, established upon the flood. Who shall ascend in thy hill, or who shall stand in thy holy place? He that have a clean hands and a pure heart, one and lift up his soul unto vanity. He shall receive the blessing of goodness from the Most High King Selassie. Now, speak the truth, cast it what it will. Okay, he whosoever hide and do the wrong will continue to do the wrong still. No crime, no violence, none abusive, none violence. Can you play the next song, please? Oh my, oh my, oh my, don't cry. Then leave your body so I've done so many shows over the world, so I got to sing this one for all the mothers in the community of this day. Hey! Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through all the pain and suffering. No one knows the struggle you bear, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Oh, don't you say, pull up. Yeah, Happy Mother's Day, Augusttown community. Yes, all the mothers in and around our community, you know what I'm saying? Yes, Heritage, Bryson, Jungle 12, Vietnam, Goldsmith Villa, then one Pastor, Judgment Yard, Top and Kentire, Edison Flats, maximum respect to each and every one. And just before I leave the stage, I'm gonna sing this song for you once more. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through all the pain and suffering. No one knows the truth of your bear, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Oh, thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through all the pain and suffering. No one knows the truth of your bear, just only you. I would never let you down. I never go away, always be around. You know what you do, it's such love that you found. Always gonna let you wear that. Through the road, sometimes you maintain your come towards your only help. I've sheltered you from the storm, and when it's all you're rocking until it's so warm. Oh my, I'm so glad I was born. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All the pain and suffering, no one knows the son of your man, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Oh, thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All the pain and suffering. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the community. Okay. Such a big man now, so much your. Lift up and come it one more time. Now we got to pay respect to our parents, okay? Now I say all the guys, mothers and their fathers that there is, baby. Such a. I love mama, say mama. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, yeah. I want to say thank you very much for making it possible. It's all about your parents, okay? Here we go. I'm a mother, me your song. I'm a daddy, me your song. Say, pull up. Run it again, free of my way. You know what I'm saying? You kids, you've been doing a lot of stage shows in the community. But this is the first staging of the Thank You Mama bashment. Hoping that next year it will be much bigger, much better. And you turn on more in your numbers, okay? So doing the tours for the community, it's all part and parcel of the community service, okay? Here we go. I'm a mother, me your song. I am mama, me your song. I'm coming the lion, me quit your song. Not to be a natural getter, you just come from out of the ghetto. I'm a mother, me your song. Daddy make me take a song. I'm carrying lion, make me take a song. Proud to be another ghetto, you to come from August, don't get on. Everything to you can tell you respect your mother. Never you need to respect your mother. Best places in the world, take your mother. Your mother make you, and never you make your mother. Hear me again, now tell you, child, bless your mother. Get a youth stop from stress your mother. You could never ever get a better mother. Push up your hand and say, mama. Hey, they are so. I'm a daddy, make me they are so. I'm carrying a lion, make me they are so. Not to be another get a youth to go from August down ghetto. I'm a mother, make me they are so. And your daddy make you dead so. I'm carrying a lion, make you dead so. Not to be another get a youth so. As him start make the money so the boy turn coffee. Spend the whole night in party, Gialati. Him in a restaurant I eat chicken and patty. Mama miserable, eh. So thank you. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me through. What Emmanuel like King Selassie, I Joe? Now as Sizzla Kalonji, I have to represent the community, especially the mothers. And you ain't gonna have mommy without daddy. So big respect to all the fathers. Father's Day coming up. So play me a next rhythm. Next song. I'm missing you. Here we go. Hey, I cry, evil tells, evil ya. But who cares? Who's fun? No one but yourself. Things do up in words can't explain. We have the human reason toy mixed with your pain. People would say things just for us to separate. Let out, but for us to reach the wherever. I'm just no care. Why does it got to be this way? Can't tell you no, wanting it to stay. What do you say? Just one of those. Hey, happy Mother's Day. Am I too humble or ignorant? Things we got to fight the big things important. Take on the thing. You girl that left you hang on. There's no one to see everything that's wrong. The essence of our beauty. So our working still linger. Oh, time to remember, girl, where you coming from. I'm the one to whom you belong. Hey girl, you keep me strong. You belong. Why does it got to be this way? can't tell you no. What do you say? Happy Mother's Day. What you say? Happy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Ladies, how you feeling? Say, Mama. Mama bashment. I'm not down yet. Where do you go? Don't you need my love? But now you're going to let us. But now you're going to come away. But son, I've been never telling you. I got to stop them from compelling you. That just won't stop me from getting you. Give me a try. Things will be better hit. Give me your mind. Don't deny. Turn up the time. It's not in real. I'm gonna. I'm gonna make you laugh. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm gonna target you. I'm gonna make you laugh. So clear, yeah, yeah. Thank you very much. We pay much respect to our mothers. And once again, I want for you to put your hands together and give the mothers a very big round of applause. Thank you very much. I'm honored being here. Thank you.